Today we are going to do detailed review of InMotion hosting. Hi guys, welcome to Tools Diet. My name is Kripesh Advani. Here we talk about digital tools and services. Today we are going to do detailed review of InMotion hosting. I am using this hosting for approx 5 months now. So this is going to be a detailed review based on that experience. Talking about testing parameters, I am using shared hosting power plan. This is my website. It is based on OceanWP theme. I am using Gym based template. It's based on Elementor. For cache settings, I am using the default cache management system that is being provided by InMotion hosting. I am not using any external cache plugin management for this website. Coming on to user interface, as we will log in, we will see this interface. They call this panel AMP, account management panel. It looks a bit complicated. They can make it a bit easy. It's not modern at all. If you want to go to cPanel, you can go from here. All the packages will show down below. Like this is my power plan for 1 year. I can go to my cPanel. If I want my temporary URL, that can be done from here. So in my opinion, it's not a beginner friendly user interface and it can be worked on. Talking about server response time, I have got some good server response time from US as they are having US only servers. And talking about speeds, I got some great speeds from US as well. This is my website and I got under 1 second, under 600 ms actually, which is really good. It is one of the best speeds that I have got from a shared hosting plan. Considering I have not used any external cache management plugin, it is one of the best speeds out there, no doubt about that. Talking about uptime, I am testing uptime since last 151 days. I am getting around 99.96%, which is good. Longest incident has been for around 1 hour 4 minutes, but apart from that it looks good. Last 30 days 99.98%, so this is good. You can find the detailed uptime data on my blog. I will update it every month, plus you can find other hosting reviews as well, so do check that out. Talking about load test, I have sent around 50 virtual users to see how it handled the load, and they made around 9500 requests with 0 HTTP failures. Peak requests reached around 50. Average response time is under 10 ms and there are no major spikes on response time. So overall load performance is very good. There are no major problems with load handling. For cache management, you can manage cache from their cPanel. From the software section, you have to go to cache manager. From here we have the option to purge and some basic options to set the profile. That's it. There are no advanced options to fine tune the profiles, but I think that's enough for most users. You are going to get good speeds at their default settings, so in most cases you won't be required to fine tune it. For data centers, they have data centers in US only. Coming on to domain name, you will get a 1 year free domain name. And talking about temporary domain name, you can get a temporary domain name from their account management panel. You have to go to this account technical details. From here you will get a temporary URL, and this is going to be a temporary domain name if you want to test out your website before changing the name servers. For SSL certificates, you will get free SSL certificates for all your websites. Talking about backup and restoration, they do provide a remote paid backup service. It is remote, means backup will be saved on a different location, so that's really good, but it is paid as well. You will have to pay $2 per month to use this backup service. Now how to access it? You have to go to cPanel and we will scroll down to files, backup manager. So from here we can perform a restore if we want. Restoration process is quite easy. You just have to select the folders that you want to restore and it can be done easily. You can separately restore MySQL databases as well. For backup, you can schedule your backups, but I am unable to find manual backup options here. I can create it via scheduling, but I cannot perform the backup manually. So backup service is really good, but you have to pay extra charges for that. Coming on to support, in my experience it was really slow. They took around 10 to 15 minutes, sometimes around 30 minutes, and the replies that I got was good. They were knowledgeable, but they were taking their own time to resolve my queries. For example, I asked them to check if the SSL was already installed or not, and they took around 10 minutes to resolve this issue, while it took me around 2 minutes to check that out. So support is good, but it is really slow. Now talking about inode count, as per their support team, they don't have any hard limit on the inode count. And before I jump on to pricing, I would like to give one disclaimer that this video is not being sponsored by InMotion Hosting. But if you purchase through my links, then I will get a small commission without any extra cost to you. So if you like my work, you can support me by using my links from the description section below. It really helps me a lot. Talking about pricing, I will suggest to go with shared hosting. You can find Power and Launch plan. These are two of the best plans out there. I am using a Power plan. All testing have been done on this plan only. Pricing right now is $4.99 per month if we go with a 3-year plan. Then you can select your data centers. It's US only, and you will have to pay for backup manager extra for around $72 if you are going with a 3-year plan, which I suggest that you should go for, since backup management is really essential these days. So if you are earning through your website, do opt for a backup manager. Talking about refund policy, they have 90-day refund policy, which is unheard of in this industry. I have seen maximum 45 days, and then there is A2 hosting which provide refund policy on pro rata basis, but 90 days is really exceptional. It's unheard of. For migrations, they provide full cPanel transfer or up to 3 websites, and they will set up email domains and FTP as well, so that's good. Talking about site builder, they don't have a separate site builder with their shared hosting, but they are integrated with BoldGrid. BoldGrid is a type of a site builder which is built on top of WordPress. It usually costs around $60 per year, but if you are using InMotion hosting, you can use all those features for free, which is really good. So if you are looking for a site builder with your shared hosting, then you can check InMotion hosting. It is really good. For softwares, they are using Nginx web servers. They do support Ruby, PHP, PostgreSQL, but there is no support for Python and Node.js. Now, before I talk about pros and cons, if you have liked this video up till now, do hit the big thumbs up button down below. It really helps me a lot. Now, talking about pros, speed is one of the best out there. It can easily handle loads. Backup service is good. Uptime is good until now. They have 90-day refund policy. Pricing is also decent, and they have a support for BoldGrid as well. Now, talking about some cons, user interface was not friendly. For backup, they are charging extra. Support was slow in my experience, but it was knowledgeable, and they have data center in US only. Now, coming on to the bottom line, if you are having US audience, then InMotion hosting is a good option to consider. They provide one of the best speeds for shared hosting. Load handling is good. Uptime was also good. So you can consider this hosting, but it can become a bit expensive when we consider that they are charging extra for backup management, and the user interface is also not beginner friendly. So if you are not happy with the likes of Hostinger, ChemiCloud, Fast Comet, then you can go with InMotion hosting. Main problem that I see with InMotion hosting is their slow support. So if you don't have a problem with slow support, then you can consider InMotion hosting for the price. So that's all for this one. If you have liked this video, do give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more interesting review videos and educational videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.